Hey guys, how to fix phone number cannot be used for Google verification. So if your phone number can't be used for Google verification on your iPhone, it's likely due to Google's restrictions on the number of accounts and a phone number can be associated with, or issues with the number itself. Try using a different phone number, ensuring number is entered correctly, and checking for issues with your phone's SMS capabilities. Right, so make sure to verify the phone number and try a different phone number if that didn't work. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if the problem still persists, make sure to restart your own device. You can swipe down to your control center, try shut down your iPhone, and then reopen it again using your home screen or lock screen. Now we will see you in the next one.